echoes of effort from year to year. But when surrender opened the door, the struggle dissolved, it asked no more. I am free from the turning wheel. No debt remains, no wound to heal. In the quiet where the soul belongs, I rest beyond karma and sorrow. Peace rises softly where effort ends. No push, no pull, no need to defend. The heart aligns with a higher flow, and grace moves where I let go. What once resisted now moves as one. The work is finished, the path is done. Not through force, not through control, but through yielding back to the soul. I am free from the turning wheel. No debt remains, no wound to heal. In the stillness where truth is found, I live beyond karma and sorrow. No past remains to bind my name. No future pulls me back again. Only this peace, steady and whole, where the divine moves through the